So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. Or you can just go to any web browser and then type in Canon driver. Then you just want to go to the Canon website. And then once we're here, you just want to scroll down. And then once we're here, if you know your Canon printer name, you could just search it right here. Or if you don't know the name, but you at least know the model, you can now search it right here. So for me, I'm going to be going with the Pixma E series. And now I'm going to select my printer, which is the Pixma E3640. And then once we're on this, you're going to scroll down. Now you can get the driver if you want to, but I'm guessing you came here for the software. So I'm going to click on software. And now you're going to select your operating system. And then you're going to scroll down. And you can now download the software. It says to me recommended for you, master setup. I'm going to be getting this right here. There's going to be a description right here so you know what you're going to download. So this download right here is going to allow me to download the driver. And then once I complete that download, I will also be able to install the software. So now I'm going to click on download. And I click on download again. And then once that's downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. You now want to select your language. And then click on OK. Select your place of residence. And then click on OK. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on start setup. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, I'm just going to agree to everything. I'm going to click on check all. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to make sure you have your printer turned on. Click on next. And it's now going to start searching for your printer. Once it detects it, you can then follow through all the steps. I'm using a virtual machine so I cannot continue past this point. But in your case, you just want to follow through all the steps that come up. Install your printer. It will then allow you to download the software as well. That's how you do it.